I feel obligated to our customers. None of our salespeople are commissioned and have motives to sell you the most expensive thing. I think we're unique because we really, truly want to make our customers happy. My name is Nathan Barsky of Barsky Diamonds. So I'm a fifth generation jeweler. My great-great-grandfather started this business at the turn of the century, and we are one of the oldest Philadelphia-owned jewelers. Being a family jeweler, we help everybody from CEOs all the way down to somebody that's sweeping the streets. There's no project that's too large, there's no project that's too small. We specialize in custom jewelry, engagement rings, wedding bands, anything to do with weddings. And we also make pieces for people that, just want to make a beautiful diamond ring for themselves or a fashion piece. We have designers on staff. We do everything by CAD design in-house. We can design a ring for you, show it to you on a computer. We grow a wax and then cast ultimately what you design perfectly, giving you a finished piece that you had exact in mind. Full service means we guarantee our jewelry for cleanliness, rhodium polish, tightening stones. It's never a charge. We're also full service that we have a full shop here, so we do all jewelry repairs on site. Nothing leaves. We stand behind everything we make. We don't pre-qualify customers as much as like to know what their budget is, so we can help them find the perfect stone that fits their budget instead of showing somebody something that's 3 times more than they want to spend or 3 times less than what they want to spend. It's just an easier process during education and helping them get the perfect stone for them. So the most important thing is educating your consumer so they know what they're buying, they feel comfortable with what they're buying. So we sit down with every customer, we explain the 4 C's. We have carat weight, color, clarity, and cut. So we try to, without everybody looking at the scales, thinks they need the very top, the very best. And we educate to show that you can spend a certain amount and have just as much beauty as if you spent the higher amount. And we make them understand why they're buying something and why they're not buying something else. The sales staff have a minimum experience of 35 to 40 years in selling diamonds and jewelry. I think the knowledge of my staff surpasses any store in the area. Salespeople being non-commissioned means that there's no pressure in making a sale. The salespeople aren't going to fight with each other to get the next sale or the largest sale, and their main concern is just making the clientele happy. I love people and love meeting each other, seeing them interact together, and I love watching them build a family, bring their kids in and get like push gifts for when they have children. I love all the stuff that comes with the original sale.